Hi guys, it's Richardlizhu, and in today's video I wanted to show you the unboxing of the Gemini credit card. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've already kind of opened it a little bit, but I actually haven't looked inside until I just pulled it out and saw that it was the Gemini credit card. So I don't know if you can actually see, but there's an embossed Gemini logo here, and there's nothing else inside the box. Yeah, if you see the title of this YouTube video, you'll see that I kind of got baited by this card. Invest when you spend. Welcome to the future. It advertises that you get 3% back in crypto whenever you spend money with this card, and I thought it was 3% cash back on everything, but in actuality, it's just 3% on certain categories. I think it's like dining. So yeah, because of this, that's how I got baited, and hopefully by seeing this video, you will be able to prevent yourself from being baited as well. But this is kind of it. I feel like the packaging is a little bit reminiscent of the Apple packaging. So it says, to activate your card, please go to card settings in the Gemini web or mobile app. So here's the card, and card itself is actually very nice. It's a MasterCard. It has your name on the back, and it is a metal card, if you can see. It's definitely a nice card, and I guess now that I have it, I will be using it for dining, but I really hate having to manage multiple cards. I think it juxtaposes quite nicely with the Apple card here. You see they're kind of both, I think they're both MasterCard, but then the Apple card is all white, the Gemini card is all black, or at least I got the black one. But yeah, I just wanted to show you a quick unboxing experience of the Gemini credit card, and I hope you guys don't get baited like I was baited. Only get this if you're aware that it's not 3% cashback on everything, and it's just 3% cashback on some things. I think it's 1% back on everything though. So you can get 2% back, but depends. If you want all your money in crypto or somehow, I don't know. It's a good card. There's no fee. You can just keep it in your wallet. So thanks for watching this unboxing video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. So I actually just finished setting up this card with the Gemini mobile app. The setup is pretty simple. You literally just go click card settings here, and you just tap activate. And it says make sure you have the physical card before activating. And then afterward, I set up my auto pay. You can choose to use the same bank account that you used to link to your Gemini. But yeah, pretty simple setup process. Just wanted to give an update for you guys. Thanks for watching.